Have you ever typed a quick task into an AI tool, expecting a brilliant, production-ready response, only to receive something so generic and shallow that it felt completely useless? It is a common experience. Most professionals assume AI will automatically deliver expert-level outputs from minimal instructions. We treat these incredibly advanced large language models like mind readers, expecting them to know our specific industry standards, corporate cultures, and personal preferences right out of the gate. This lesson reveals why that assumption creates frustration, and how structured prompting transforms AI from a disappointment into a powerful professional tool. If you have ever felt let down by AI, the issue likely wasn't the technology itself, but rather how the task was framed. Moving from a basic, conversational style of querying to a structured approach changes everything. It bridges the gap between getting an automated paragraph of text and receiving high-value, highly specific professional leverage. Let us look at what causes this disconnect. Let's look at the underlying reason why two people can use the exact same AI platform and walk away with completely different experiences. Many professionals fall into the trap of assuming that if they simply upgrade to a newer, more expensive, or more advanced AI model, their results will automatically become perfect. But that assumption is completely incomplete. The real differentiator isn't the software engine itself, it is the structure and maturity of the instructions you provide. When you feed an AI a weak, unstructured prompt, you trigger a generic cascade. The machine is forced to look at a broad pool of data, which naturally produces generic language, shallow thinking, poor structural organization, and incredibly weak credibility among senior stakeholders. It looks like entry-level text because it was guided by entry-level instructions. On the flip side, when you feed that exact same model a highly structured prompt, you force the machine to narrow its focus. This instruction design yields highly relevant outputs, a remarkably strong professional tone, clean structural organization, and superior real-world usability. Better prompts create better outputs, not because the underlying technology changed, but because the clarity of your direction changed. Prompting is a deliberate exercise in communication design. To help you build professional instructions consistently every single time, we use a core operational framework throughout this entire program, the RACE framework. Think of this as your engineering blueprint for prompt design. Professional, stakeholder-ready deliverables require professional inputs, and RACE breaks this process down into 4 distinct logical pillars. The R stands for role. Who exactly should the AI behave as? This sets the expert perspective and working vocabulary. The A stands for ask. What precise task should the AI execute? This clarifies the exact objective. The C stands for context. What project background information, constraints, and parameters matter right now? This ensures real-world accuracy. Finally, the E stands for examples or formatting. What specific output structure, corporate template, or communication tone should the AI follow? When you systematically connect these 4 ingredients together, you instantly solve the broad generalizations of standard AI tools. The RACE framework structurally improves relevance, clarity, internal presentation, professional tone, stakeholder usability, and long-term repeatability across your schedule. Let's deconstruct the very first pillar in depth, defining the expert role. One of the most persistent mistakes professional users make when opening an AI chat window is omitting a clear role definition. Without an explicitly assigned role, the language model operates from a baseline, default persona. It doesn't know whether it should write with the technical authority of an experienced director or the simple vocabulary of a high school student. For instance, a weak prompt simply requests "write a project report." The resulting text will inevitably be soft, generic, and lacking professional focus. Look at how a professional re-engineers that instruction. You are a senior program controls manager supporting an international infrastructure project. Notice the instant transformation. Defining an expert perspective fundamentally shifts 5 distinct areas within the machine's processing: its working vocabulary, its internal structural logic, its tone, its depth of analysis, and its overall stakeholder framing. You can easily direct the system to embody a wide variety of professional perspectives, depending on your immediate goal, such as a project manager, risk manager, PMO director, claims consultant, or commercial manager. Once your perspective is set, you need to state the objective by defining the ask. When we look at the second element of the framework, the ask, the underlying rule is absolute. If the instruction is vague, the output will also be vague. A weak ask looks something like this. Review this document. Think about how ambiguous that is from an analytical standpoint. The model has zero indication of whether it should be proofreading the text for simple spelling errors, evaluating it for strict contractual compliance, or looking for major coordination gaps in design. To get a useful result, you must narrow the model's focus to a highly targeted, specific task. Review this scope document and identify scope gaps, ambiguous wording, contractor claim exposure, and missing stakeholder responsibilities. By specifying these distinct target areas, you sharpen the system's attention onto exactly what matters most to your project. This explicit detail moves the tool from passive summaries to high-value, highly actionable communication, giving you consistent and repeatable results every single time you execute the task. Now that the task is clear, we must ground it in reality by adding context. Let us look at the third pillar of our framework, which is the context. It is absolutely vital to internalize that an AI model possesses no natural ambient awareness of your specific project environment. When a prompt completely lacks background information, the machine is forced to fill in the blanks with broad, sweeping industry generalizations. This low context trap results in repetitive, low-value paragraphs that offer no practical utility to an engineering team. To fix this, you must explicitly feed the model your unique commercial and project constraints. This is a $900 million United States dollars international rail program under NEC 4 ECC with aggressive milestone pressure and lender reporting obligations. Look at how specific that is. This single sentence instantly informs the tool of the precise sector terminology, the underlying contract architecture, the high-stakes risk profile, and the reporting expectations of the project. Context is the engine that drives true realism, transforming a generic text generation into a technically precise, highly relevant project management asset. The final element of the framework is examples, or formatting instructions. Many professional users write an excellent role and provide brilliant context, but they completely forget to define their output structure expectations. Without clear structural parameters, the AI does not know whether you need an executive dashboard, a formal letter, a risk table, or a narrative report. If you just type a vague prompt like "summarize the project," you leave the final presentation entirely up to a random machine guess. Instead, you must show the system exactly what a high-quality, professional deliverable looks like. Summarize in executive dashboard format, showing top risks, program concerns, commercial pressures, and immediate actions. This clear instruction guarantees that the output matches your required reporting format perfectly. Explicit format parameters, whether you are generating a structured dashboard, a formal contract notice, a risk matrix table, or a formal board paper, are a mandatory part of professional-grade prompt engineering. To appreciate the operational power of this framework, let's examine a direct side-by-side comparison using the exact same AI platform. Remember, the underlying technology does not change between these examples. The only variable is the structure of the input instructions. Look at the bad approach, entering a weak prompt like "prepare a project risk register." Because the AI has to guess all parameters, it returns a superficial document with generic risks, poor mitigation logic, weak formatting, and zero executive credibility. Now look at the professional approach, using a complete race prompt. You are a senior project risk manager on a $500 million EPC desalination project under FIDIC Yellow Book. Prepare a professional risk register using ISO 31000 methodology, including risk categories, ownership, mitigation actions, likelihood/impact ratings, and early warning indicators. Present in executive workshop table format. The resulting deliverable contains realistic, commercially validated risks, structured formatting, and professional terminology, rendering it completely ready for an executive steering committee. Now that you understand the core components of the RACE framework, let's look at the complete 5-step professional prompting workflow that you will use as your daily operating model throughout your career. This is a disciplined, step-by-step assembly line for high-value engineering documents. We always begin at step 1 by defining the professional role and perspective the AI must adopt. From there, we move to step 2, defining the exact task clearly with an actionable directive. Next, we execute step 3 by adding rich, real-world project context, background parameters, and commercial constraints. Then we establish step 4, defining the precise format and structure the output must follow to ensure it matches corporate templates. Finally, we arrive at the most critical phase, step 5, review professionally. This is where you validate accuracy, check contractual alignment, and assess stakeholder suitability. Never forget our core professional rule. AI drafts, but professionals validate. Let's summarize the vital professional lessons we have established in this foundational module on the RACE framework. First, always remember that your prompt quality directly dictates your output quality. Each element you carefully add to the instruction drastically elevates the technical relevance of the result. Second, the RACE model is completely repeatable across every single workflow on your desk, from daily email correspondence to high-stakes contract notice drafting. Third, all AI outputs require rigorous human review. The machine is your drafting partner, not your replacement. Ultimately, professional prompting is not about playing around or asking random conversational chat questions. It is a precise discipline of structured communication engineering. When you treat it as an engineered discipline, you unlock true operational leverage. In our upcoming module, Lesson 2.1, we are going to look closely at what happens when prompting is done badly in a real-world scenario, analyzing a weak prompt, a failed AI output, and a visible professional credibility failure.